for your Salesforce Developer Edition.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
In postal code, we have to mention current address code or permanent address, sir.
Anything any postal code you can give.
Okay, sir.
So hope all are in the same page. Now click on sign up me. So a verification link has gone your mail ID. Everyone just open your mail ID, Gmail ID, that mail ID you have given over there. No, this is not fresher job, not. It will come. Got some. Just wait for a few minutes. It takes some time sometimes. So rest of others have done that same thing.
What will be the username?
Username you give that your Gmail ID.
A complete Gmail ID or any company name need to be added with this?
A complete Gmail ID you give. That could be any name. Okay, to remember.
Okay, sir.
Basically, we prepare that mail ID you have given, so to just remember. So Gautam, you given that same mail ID, na? Gautam.
Yeah.
BSc.
It's same ID. Can you check with others? Did anyone get mail?
Yeah. Check others.
Yes, sir. We are checking, but we are not get any mail confirmation.
Okay, maybe it take some time.
Yeah, maybe it depends on server response, so it requires some verification, and after that, so no issue. We don't waste so many times over here. So basically, that there will be a link in your Gmail, and when you click on that link, it will be just a verification that the verification is done, and you will be successfully login in that Salesforce. So after that, whenever you open the developer login, so you just given your email ID and password so that you can log in over there. Okay. And also there is another part in Salesforce, that is trailhead. Okay, the link Gautam you first open. So that is basically to practice Salesforce. We need that. So don't worry. So whatever your Salesforce ID you have created, with that ID and password, you can also log in that trailhead. So till now, I think everyone is clear what I am saying. So
Yeah.
what we learn, we everyone we have created our Salesforce account, and through that Salesforce account we can actually, this is a developer account, and through that we can explore our knowledge in Salesforce, and there is a trailhead, so we can also use our same user ID password to log in the trailhead. Okay, so someone asked what is Salesforce, some doubts and overview he required. So in the meanwhile, I can explain him about that. So
can
basically,
I stop my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. You can stop. Okay. So who asked this question? Whose name is this?
Sir, Munna Kirana, sir. I am asking the question, sir.
Okay. So Munna, actually, Salesforce is a CRM, that's what is CRM? CRM is customer relationship management. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in every organization,
Yes.
so when you run organization, there is some process going in every organization. Okay, to maintain that organization, to
Which type of
uh,
process, sir?
which type of process? I mean, every organization have some, what I say. Suppose in organization, they are some product. Suppose there's some product based company. Okay,
Okay.
so they are selling their products. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
the top level management need to know how the revenue is coming,
Yes.
how to manage their employee, how the
Yes.
HR is HR process should handle. All these things need to cover, and there is a top management, and they see the reports. Okay, so in
Yes.
an organization, uh, everywhere there is a product and there is a customer. Okay, so between
Okay,
that
sir.
product and customers, there should be a relationship. That's the CRM, customer relationship management. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
so to maintain that process, or to make that, I mean, how do you say, uh, through that computer process, I mean, not manually, we can handle through that software. So there should be some software for implement all those process. So there are big companies, they also started like that CRM. So initially Oracle also start, uh, and there is a SAP also work on that, but their process is very complicated, and very sometimes it's tough to understanding. But then that Salesforce came in market, so they actually created that module in such a way that the company management can run that process in their organization to maintain their process, and through that admin process, there is no required to coding at all. So they can hire some persons, those have knowledge in Salesforce. So they can just drag and drop and clicking all this process. They can, I mean, utilize the, I mean, they can smoothen their process, so that they can run their business very smoothly, and can generate revenue. Okay, so
Okay,
that
sir.
is the overall idea of Salesforce. So Salesforce, you remember, that is a process. uh, that process enables that application to run it smoothly in using that software, that is Salesforce software. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now someone replied that he got the mail. Okay, Gautam got the mail. So Gautam, you just click on the link and uh, do that authentication process.
Do I want to share my screen?
Yeah, you can share. Yes, there should be link. Yes, verify account. Yes. Now what you have to do, you have to create a password. That password you have to remember. So your user ID will be that your mail ID, and the password right now you are creating, that should be your password. So everyone remember that password. And there's some minimum criteria. It should be 8 character, 1 letter, 1 number, all these things. Okay, whoever got that link, do the process, or who are not yet received, they just follow the steps, so that they can also do after some time. Okay. So Gautam, you just keep
Yeah.
on here because your account is freshly created, so it will help us to understand everybody the same thing.
Yeah.
Because in my account already something is created, so that will be complicated for you.
Okay.
Okay. So this is Salesforce. When you log in, it will come here. So I say something initially over here. So there is some icon, little cat type icon is there, na? Top right corner. Yes, click on that to view your profile. Click on that. Just click. Yes. So it will show all your details, and there is two option. So you are right now we are showing the Salesforce Lightning view, and if you want to see the classic view, then you can switch that Salesforce switch to Salesforce classic view also. Okay. So if you need
This one.
to go from yes, classic view to lightning view or lightning view to classic view, you can click on that. You can go over there, and here is logout. You can create the logout. If you want to log out, then you can. Okay, yes, and this is the classic view. Okay. Hmm. And again, you want to in a classic view, see your name is coming. See Gautam P is like there, and setup is there, and that is also switch in lighting view experience is button there. So if you click on that, you can move to that uh, portion. So again, click on that, switch on the lightning experience. Yes.
To lightning experience.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So now you have created your account, and you just minimize all this thing. I mean, close all this thing. That yes, minimize or close, no issue. Okay. So this is suppose your first page. Okay, that Salesforce page. So in the top left corner, you see that three dot icon is there below the yes. So this is click on that. So first of all thing, you have to familiar some basics things so that you can understand, or you can when you learn that Salesforce frequently, you have to do that thing. So this is the launch icon. Okay. So in our organization, there should be different Salesforce project are there. So what Salesforce did for us, there already some pre-built app is there. Okay, like service, sales, marketing, community, all are pre-built application is there. You can click on view all also. Click on the view all below. Okay. Okay. Now scroll down. You see that's all are already created built-in apps. Okay. So go up. Mainly those are go up, go up. Yes, these are the built-in apps: service app, marketing app, community app, content app, sales app. Okay, so whenever we learn Salesforce, we basically use this app. Okay, and again after some days, we will also learn how to create our own app. Okay, so suppose the person who was asking that what is Salesforce basically do? Suppose here is a sales app. Okay, so if a company just they need how their sales process is going, so for that they need that sales app. Okay, if they need some marketing app, then there is some marketing app, there is some service related thing there, and also there is some service app also. So all these are already provided by Salesforce. Okay, I mean Salesforce already given that app that they already created for that app for us, so we can use that app in our organization, or we can use that apps to customize our app, fulfill our requirements. Now Gautam, just close that icon. I close that pop-up. Okay, so till then, how do we learn? We log in that Salesforce, and we see how the classic view and what is the lightning view. Okay, so right now we view the lightning view. We learned that there is a icon that is called app launcher. Through that icon, we can search for any app, or we can open any app. So there is already some system defined app is there, and we also create our custom app also there. So any app in the Salesforce, if we want to open that app, we have to click on that launch icon and search for that app, and just click and open that app. So any doubt till now, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Again, there is a gear icon. You see, there is in your profile icon, beside your profile icon, there is a bell icon. After that bell icon, there is a gear icon. No, yes. Click on that. Yes. So basically, here is two things. That is setup your setup for your current app, and another thing that service setup, there is a developer console. So developer console is basically required when we learn that apex coding, I mean that programming part, then only we need that developer console. Okay, and when we learn that admin section, we need to work on that setup. Okay, so here how to, okay, so I'm coming that portion after some time. So first of all, we discuss something over here. Just click on skin, so that it's click on the skin anywhere. Yeah, okay. So here what you are see in the home, there after the home there are few error is there na, that is opportunity, leads, tasks, file, accounts, contact, company, dashboard, reports, chatters, and many more over there. So here we need to have some understanding. Okay, on which sort of programming language we are going to work here. Okay, so who asked this question? I see someone who asked this question. Shom. Hi Shom. Show me, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So your question is that what programming language we use in Salesforce. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So there is a programming language that is suitable for Salesforce only, and that is called Apex. Okay. That Apex programming we need to learn to work on the development part in Salesforce. Okay. So that's the defined part when we learn that Salesforce development. I mean developer edition, platform development. That time we learn that language Apex. Okay, or if you interested, you can also learn right now. But first of all, thing we need to learn what is Salesforce admin part, and after that we will learn that programming part. So is that your question? Answer is, have you got that answer?
Yes, sir.
Shom?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. So here are few parts that I'm saying. So basically, that are Salesforce built-in object. Okay, that what are that? Basically, we will work mostly with account, contact, uh, dashboard, reports, mostly we in the learning phase we will work on that. Gradually we will also learn this opportunity leads, all these things. So the main thing we need to understand, these all are Salesforce object. Okay. Now there is most interesting thing that I want to share. So in Salesforce there are two type of object. Listen very carefully. This is one of the main key points I'm sharing. In Salesforce, there are two type of object. One object is standard objects and another object is custom object. So standard object means the objects that is already developed by Salesforce, that is that's we call standard object, and the object we will create by ourselves as per our requirement, that will be called custom object. So any doubt, any questions?
No.
Okay,
No, sir. No, sir.
okay, okay. So now if I ask account contact, is this a custom object or standard object? What will be the answer?
Standard object.
Standard object.
Yes, very good. So these all are here standard objects. Okay. So now who is sharing? For Gautam. Yes. Now Gautam, click on account. Just click on account. New record. Okay. New record. No, not record. New record. Just click on yes. Not drop down. Just click on that. Okay. So this is recently viewed. So there is a drop down side the recently views. Click over there.
Yeah.
Yes. So recently views mean what you have views recently. So you didn't, you just first open, you didn't viewed any record right now. So that's why no item is showing over here. So now click on all accounts. Click on all accounts. Okay. So these all are already created accounts. Okay. Now click on any one of that account. Okay. So this is one account. Okay. So what are there in account? Click on the details. Click on the details. In the details. Yes. Okay. So here as Gautam is logged in, so everywhere he is acting as a administrator over
Owner.
here. Okay. So yes, owner. So owner or administrator here similar, almost similar. So as you created, I mean, you created that developer account, so you treated as a administrator. Okay. So everyone in their Salesforce account, he or she will be considered as the owner. Okay. Now you see that there is a account name, parent account, account number, account type, phone number, fax number. All the fields are there. Scroll down a little bit, Gautam. There's some billing address. All these things are there. So this is a account object. Okay, and this account object is a basically a standard object, and that accounts one you can say the one record is S-force. Okay, so when we create a account, so there should be some fields. Okay, so here Salesforce help us to create one account. So that account is there and the fields is there. So okay, go to that follow contact case. Okay. Okay. So in Salesforce already created that account, and in every account there should be some fields that is already created. When you create a new account, you have to fill all these fields and a new record will generate. So here another interesting part I want to discuss with you. So we learn what is custom object and what is standard object. So every object, whether it is standard object or custom object, what is the purpose of that object? Because they are some storing some data basically. So here it is the account object. So account object means this object store basically account related information. Okay. So in that account related information, we what we need to store in the information, suppose account name, account parent name, account phone number, account website, account address, all these things are required. So when you create a new account, and then a form will open and all this field will be there. So you have to fill that field and you click on save. Then one record of that account is created and it is saved in Salesforce. So now the interesting part is that why is Salesforce so interesting? Because the same thing, if you want to do in other language, suppose Java, .NET, or any web technologies like React.js, AngularJS, all these things. So you have to create that front end page over there. Then you have to there should be a backend team there to handling that database, and there should be a API team, those who create that API point. So if you are front end developer, you create the form, then you have to call that API, and that API also call that backend, and there should be the backend logic also there to save the data in the database. So there are lot of process you have to do to just create a page and save the data in the database. But here all the tasks are done by Salesforce in the behind. And as it is a cloud platform, so you don't bother any software installation, any software configuration. You don't need to know anything. You just need an internet connection. You just create your account and you do that uh, and enjoy. Okay. Uh, so not like open source. Open source it's a different thing. Open source means that actually someone asked me, is that open source? I'm answering that question. So open source means that it's an application that is developed by a group of members and anyone can contribute over there. uh, it's not like that. It is Salesforce own property. It is it should have licensing. uh, so as it's a developer account, so Salesforce provide the developer account. It's a free account, so with that we can just for learning purpose we can create our account and we can explore ourselves. So but when it is for a company requirement, then company I think should purchase the license, and then we can develop over there. Because what is the problem in developer edition? You have a very limited uh, features will be given, because you have given only one admin, you have given only one profile like that, so that you just only know the process how to do that for the learning purpose, and they are providing. But for an organization there are a lot of things are required na? So to fulfill all these things, then you have to purchase the license. So basically it's not I mean open source in that sense. Okay. Now come back to the point I'm discussing. So this is the standard object, and in standard object there should be the field. When you create a object of that standard object, or we can say in record, we click on the new button and fill all this record, and it will create a new record over there. Now, Gautam, you click on that this gear icon. Click on setup. So here is the setup. Okay. Now click on that object manager. So what is the object manager? Object before describing object manager, I see that the first where we are in that page, so we can go over there also. So that is the output. I mean, that is your application. Okay, that service app we open, and if we need any customization or anything we admin tasks we need to do, so that we do from here itself. Okay, so you have to click on that gear icon and click on that setup. It will open over here, and from here you can do any modification. So now click on that quick find. Click on quick find. Yes. So this is object manager. I mean, whatever objects in Salesforce, you can search that object from here. So now click on that accounts. Already account is showing in font, but still no. I know it is over there, but just click on there. Yes. So that for other object, if actually account is alphabetically is showing in font, because if you need any other account, or if you there is a customer account, custom account, so to search that you just write over there, it will automatically come. So right here account in the quick find, click on quick find. No. Yes, account. You see, now see what is label is account, type standard object. I told na, this all are standard objects. Now click on account. Now click on that
Yeah.
account.
Here.
Yeah, and level search. Yes, click on. Scroll up little. Okay, so here all are the details are showing over there. You can read out over there. Say API name is there. So API name means if you need to any data manipulation, that time you use that account as a account name, API name. Okay, I mean, if some modification you need, then you will access that with that name account. Okay. Okay, and click on the fields and relationship. Okay, so you see there are lots of fields are there. You see that time we saw the fields over there na. You see all these fields are there: account name, account number, account owner, account size, account source. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yes, employee facts, industry. Okay. So all are the fields are there. So what Salesforce did over here? So they actually they are leading company, na? So they have done some marketing, and they understand that to need a account, what are the fields are required. So most of the fields they have given over here for the account. Still, if you need any other field that are required in your organization that are not available in the list, then you can create with the new. That is a new field. You see that there is a new icon. I mean new button. Yes. Click on that.
Click it.
Yeah. Click it. I think your net is slow. Browser cross domain cookies, but you have click and open this and Salesforce Classic. Sure, what problem is missing. We can display this because your browser block cross domain cookies, but you can view this page in Salesforce Classic. Click here to open the Salesforce page.
Click.
Yes, click. Hmm. So actually there should be some fields, okay, and the field type is like maybe auto number, maybe formula, roll up summary, and checkbox. Scroll down, scroll down. Email, phone, all these things. So click on text, click on text, and click new. Scroll up or scroll down, scroll up or scroll down. Click next, click next. Okay. Now give the field level. I'll give you any name. Suppose just 1 minute. All of is calling. Okay. Just a minute. Yes. Give any name. Suppose give the student name. Student name level. That's the field. Okay. A new field is there. So in their account, you see there's no field like student name. Na? So suppose in our application we need one field that is student name. Okay. Click on that. A length you given 20. Okay. So what are coming red that are mandatory fields. Okay. So everyone, what I'm creating, I'm creating a new field in the account. Okay. Now scroll down. Okay. Okay. Now click on next. click visible. Click visible on. Right now, click on visible all. Yes, click select on. Click on read only. Click on read only also. No, no, no. Uncheck that. Uncheck that. Not required. Just read only. Okay. Scroll down. Click next. Click save.
Save on new or save?
Save. Save. Only save. Okay. Now scroll down. There should be a field like student name. No, no, scroll up, scroll up.
Down only is there. Come to down. You can see there.
Last second, sir.
Student name is there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So new field is created, na?
Yeah.
So
This
do
field
you
will
need?
showing there.
Yeah. So when you create a new account object, then that field will show. Okay. So I'm giving you the basic concept or basic idea. So do you need any programming?
No, sir.
Yeah.
No,
So
sir.
only some click and some basically some click and giving some input. You are creating something. Okay. So you are fulfilling one requirement. So that is the magic of admin part. Okay. So now if you go to that lightning view, scroll up, scroll up. Make sure yes, go to the switch to lightning experience. Click on that. Okay. Click on accounts. Click on accounts. No, no, no. Click on account. Yes. Now click on new. Top right corner there is new.
Yeah.
You see? Scroll down. Scroll down.
There. No. Up only.
Check that. There should be student name.
Come down.
Come down.
There only showing. See. The address information above only showing. Can you see there? Yeah.
Yes. So previously there was student name. There is no
No.
student name. But in our organization, suppose we need that field. When you create an account, we need that student name. So this is the requirement for that organization you are working. And so they are saying that in our case, when you create an account, we need that field. So you just create that field like this process. Okay.
Okay.
Understand everybody?
Yes, sir.
Is it interesting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I hope everything is getting interesting and understanding. Okay, so these are standard object. Now close this window. Okay, again go to that gear icon. Gear icon. Yes, and okay, click on that setup. Okay. So we learn that standard object. Now suppose we need to create a custom object. Okay, so how do we do that? So to doing that, just scroll up, click on the object manager. There is a drop down create. Click on that. Click on custom objects. Yes, click on. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So give that custom object information. Give the custom object name. Give the name. Suppose employee. Give employee. So likewise, there was a account, there was a contact, all these things. So in your organization, suppose you need another object and that is not providing by Salesforce, but you in your requirement you can create by your own. Okay, so that's called custom object. So right now we are working with that custom object. We are creating our custom object. Yes, give plural level employees away. I mean it will be. No, give E capital.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. No, if you want to give any description, you can give this. Okay. Scroll down. Okay. So there will be a default field will create employee name. Okay. Now scroll down and data type is text. Hello reports. Click on optional features. Allow reports. Allow activities. Track field history. Yeah. Scroll down. Okay, scroll down. Okay. Okay, custom options. Custom launch. Okay. Now click save. Or wait. Just click on those two checkbox. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Save. Yeah. Save.
Select the tab styles.
Yeah. Select tab types. Anything you can select. No
Which
issue.
one you want, you can select.
Anyone. Anything. Yes. Okay. Click on next. Click on next.
Click on next.
Scroll down. Scroll down. Click on next. Next. Yes. Click on that next. Now scroll down. Click save. So you created a custom objects. The object name is employee. So if you want to edit, you can edit that also. Click on editing. Now you go to that lightning view. Go.
Go to app launcher and search it.
No, app launcher you couldn't find. It will actually.
In more
Yes,
also you can search it. The more also it's visible.
Yes, yes. You go to the more. Yes. Click. You find that employee. Click on employee. Yes. So an employee object is created. Okay. So now create on new. Create on new. Yes. So there is only one field, employee name. So no other fields we created. So we created only one field, employee name. So if I give employee name and click save, so one employee object will create and it will save in the database. Okay. So tomorrow we will learn how to add more fields in that custom object. Okay. Hello.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today we learn basic. Hello.
Yeah.
So what will someone is trying to say something? I'm not able to hear him
No, he's
properly.
saying yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So today we learn what is standard object, custom object. In the standard object, how to add one field, how to create custom object, and in custom object we added only one field, and how we can see that. So I think till whatever I explain, hope you everyone understand. So do anyone have any question or any problem?
Sir, can you share the recording video?
Yeah, I think there is one guy or assistant. You will definitely share that recording video.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Some questions. I missed that.
Can I stop sharing?
Yeah, you can stop sharing. So what is the main purpose of use Salesforce? Someone asking. So I already mentioned that answer. What is the purpose of Salesforce? Hope you understand that. Actually, someone asked in chat, so I'm saying that. So what I told you guys, hope you understand. If you have any question, so tell me that you, what I explained, did you enjoy or not? Or how you feel that my session?
Amazing, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Good, sir.
I mean,
It's
okay, thank you.
yes, sir. It's good.
Yeah, good, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
you
Good.
are okay. So you are getting interest, na? I mean,
Yes, sir. Understanding
Yes, sir.
easily.
Yes, sir. Interesting, sir.
Yes, sir. We are enjoying the lecture.
okay. Thank you so much. So everyone create your hope already created your account or
Created, sir. Already created,
okay.
sir.
That's good. So coming Saturday, Sunday, you practice. Just create,
Okay.
try to create a custom object, and you play with that.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So coming days we will also connect and we'll discuss the next topics over there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank
Good
you,
night.
sir.